Whenever I describe to people like the concept of like cash accounting and accrual accounting, some people would look at me kind of confused and think like, oh, well, isn't it the same thing, or don't all companies just use like accounting? Well, it's like there is a difference, and it kind of tell like which sector uses the different types of accounting. Really, just depends upon like where are you at. Because like let's look at like a local coffee shop, for example. Like let's say it's like a local chain, local legend of a coffee shop. Like everyone in the town kind of goes here. They're more likely not going to use cash-based accounting just because the fact is they do not have like that many things to worry about, given the fact that they are not that big of a place to really require certain stuff. Like for example, like your accounts receivable, your accounts payable. Like a lot of it's gonna be more of like cash based because of the fact they do not need that more complex system because of the fact it is so local and it's very small, which photo behind me is not small at all, but it's like we get the image here. Like it's meant to be like more of a smaller place. Or you look at something like a Netflix, for example, which is like very huge company. For example, like it's stream boxing matches. Like do you expect like Netflix to use like cash based accounting in order for them to like figure out their revenues and expenses? Like no, they're not. Just because it just doesn't make sense. Like it just doesn't make sense for them to use it because of the fact it is just that big of a company. Like it truly just doesn't. So for them, they'd rather use accrual because of the fact it allows them to capture more stuff easier. And plus, due to the fact that they're a lot bigger of a company, they're required to show more accuracy and a lot more care within their financial reporting. Which, going back to like the coffee shop, it's like, yeah, they need to show their reports on an accurate basis. However, it's like they're going to be like lower on the list of priorities for them to be kind of like spotted because of the fact is, again, like they don't really need to worry about that many different aspects of accounting, mainly in terms of the unpaid revenues and unpaid expenses. Not saying that there isn't at all, but it's like they don't need to worry about it as much. Unlike a Netflix where it's like them forgetting to worry about it will basically mean like the end of a company. Which, as expected, I do have a video going over this sort of topic. So if you want to do it, just click the link in the bio that's like up above, please. It would greatly mean a lot to me. And let's just say you're watching this on YouTube, make sure just to click the link to the related video below, and I hope y'all are having a fantastic night.